Family Inada brings manufacturing excellence and decades of research and development to the construction of every chair. The company's enduring drive to create the world's finest luxury massage chairs is motivated by a simple desire: to improve the quality of people's lives. The I-1 combines elegance with economy. It relieves tension in your back, seat, and legs. This chair tailors the massage to fit your body and needs. The W1 is the latest in massage chair design. It's the first massage chair to synchronize with music and sounds from a home theater unit. DVD and CD synchronization heighten the sensory experience to bring you deeper mental relaxation than ever before. The D1 is the ultimate in massage chair design. The arm and hand massage releases tight muscles, and the foot massage revitalizes the soles, heels, and arches of your feet. The D1 takes you to a world of total relaxation from head to toe. Owning an Inada chair is like having your own personal massage therapist on 24-hour call. The Inada experience can be enjoyed at your convenience in the comfort of your home or office. Family Inada consults with preeminent medical specialists and engineers to ensure that each component and application recreates the touch and technique of actual massage therapy. For over a quarter of a century, Dr. Hideo Masira has had an instrumental hand in the development of Inada massage chair technology.
As a medical professional, I have advised the development of the Inada massage chair for more than 25 years. At first, Family Inada videotaped the way my hands moved when I was giving massage to my patients and tried to imitate the movement accurately with the latest technology.
The Inada chair reflects the integration of medical research and ingenious industrial engineering. From rollers that imitate manual tapping and kneading, to air cushions that capture the unique sensation of a deep tissue rub. Every chair component must meet the exacting standards of medical experts like Dr. Masira.
I personally test every element of the chair. It's the only way to be absolutely certain that the technology matches the actual massage techniques. I must tell you, the machine is rapidly catching up with the massage therapists.
The whole foot shiatsu massage soothes sore feet with a network of air cushions that targets the tender points with a healing touch. The leg massage refreshes fatigued muscles as air cushions wrap around the calves and knead away the tension. Stress and strain in the hands and forearms melt away with the triple action arm massage. The seat massage eases aches in the thigh and gluteal muscles, delivering pain relief to problem areas. Beyond the perfection of the parts, the true healing power of the Inada chair lies in the way it stimulates energy centers, known as shiatsu points, throughout the entire body.
When you treat a symptom, you get the most significant benefits by massaging specific shiatsu points in a specific order. For example, if you want to relieve stiff shoulders, you cannot simply massage the shoulder. You also have to massage a variety of other shiatsu points located all over the body. The healthcare programs on the Inada chair are based on these techniques. In fact, these massage programs are based on the treatments I give my own patients.
The Inada chair healthcare programs take you beyond relaxation. Designed by medical professionals, these massage programs target different body areas and wellness objectives. When you start one of the healthcare programs, infrared sensors scan your body to find the exact location of your shiatsu points. The chair then determines the most effective points and techniques for maximum relief and relaxation. With the Inada chair, you can also create a custom program that delivers massage applications to specific areas. This personalized massage experience addresses your particular healthcare situations and needs. With showrooms opening around the globe, the Inada experience is closer than ever before. Enter this urban oasis of pleasure, energy, and well-being, where sight sight and sound delight the senses. And state-of-the-art technology meets sleek, comfortable design. Answer the call from within and experience the world of Inada.